In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase product image sizes in Woocommerce. We all know how crucial product images are for attracting and engaging customers on your Woocommerce site. Larger images can showcase more detail, which can lead to higher conversion rates. So let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to make those product images larger, clear, and visually appealing. First things first, you'll want to navigate to wordpress.com in your preferred web browser. It's your go-to hub for managing your website, and if you haven't visited it in a while, it's always a great idea to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Look for the Login button on the homepage. Clicking this will take you where you need to go to access your WordPress account. Enter your credentials to log in securely. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard, the central control panel where you manage all things related to your site. From the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find a variety of options. You should click on Appearance. The appearance settings will allow you to customize various design aspects of your site. Within the Appearance menu, select Customize. This section is where you can tweak your site's theme settings, including the size of your Woocommerce product images. Next, within the Customize menu, locate the Woocommerce option. Woocommerce options let you fine-tune the settings specific to your online store, including products, checkout processes, and of course, product images. Once you've entered the Woocommerce settings, you'll see a Product Images option. This is what you're looking for. Click on Product Images to open up the settings where you can adjust the dimensions of your images. This section allows you to set different sizes for your main images and thumbnail images, ensuring that whatever product you're selling looks its best. You might notice a few fields where you can input exact dimensions. Depending on your theme and layout, you can decide if you want to adjust these to ensure the images fit well with your overall site design. After you've made your adjustments and you're satisfied with how your product images look, don't forget to hit that Save or Publish button. This ensures that all your changes are live on your site. And there you have it, a straightforward way to increase product image sizes in Woocommerce, enhancing both the aesthetic and functionality of your online store. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Image sizing might seem minor, but when done right, it can have a profound impact on your site's user experience and conversion rates. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this guide, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.